Hi, welcome back to Zupa Zone. Okay, I have story. I finally bought Elgato Stream Deck. Yay! Finally, even though it's very expensive. it it costs 2 AAA games, or in my region. Yes, it's very expensive, but I think it's worth it. My unboxing video already in YouTube. Okay. After I bought Stream Deck, I got 2 issues. Yes. First one, it got error in my OBS, not supporting. I need to update the plugin for OBS 28. Link in the description from the other YouTuber. When I searching YouTube for the fix, thanks to him. After I update the OBS plugin and install the fix, it fixed. Good. Now another issue. I got another issue. Yes, the second issue. The Stream Deck store could not open. Yes. When I click the icon for Stream Deck store, it blank. Not response. Blank. I already disable my second monitor, change my USB plug. It's still not working. Uninstall it, install it, delete the file, all of it, still not working. Long story short, turns out for some reason it got blocked. The internet got blocked for opening the website of Stream Deck store. Because when I open it on the browser, it still cannot open. Yes. So, maybe my internet provider blocking it. Yes, I'm blaming my internet provider. So, I got 2 ISP in my house. After I switched to my secondary ISP, it works. I could open the Stream Deck store. Yay! Now, I think, my ISP A is boo-boo blocking the access to Stream Deck store. But after I switch back to my main ISP, it still can open it. What? Yes. After I close it and open it, it still can open. So it's not my ISP. The reason is not my ISP problem. I don't know what's the real cause, but I am happy because I can open it. So if you got issue already searching from the internet, maybe because for some reason the internet connection block it. So change the ISP using phone tethering or another ISP if you have. If not,
God bless you.
okay. Thanks for watching my video. I hope I see you in my next video. Bye. Peace.